We will break down famous margarine brands from different countries. Let's dive into today's global culinary journey. Brekot is a popular Swedish brand of edible fat blend product by Arla Foods. Made from a combination of fresh cream butter and rapeseed oil, it offers a natural buttery taste and is easy to squeeze from refrigerator. Quali Margarine is one of the most popular margarine brands from Brazil. Known for its smooth texture and creamy taste, it is widely used for spreading on bread, cooking, and baking, and is enriched with essential vitamins. No News Post is Japan's number one cholesterol-free margarine and vegetable oil spread from Magnus Northern. Made from non-hydrogenated oil, it is rich in vitamin A and E as well as omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acid and features a smooth texture that is easy to spread. Soft is a popular margarine brand produced by Arla of Sigel Foods in South Africa and has been a staple for bakers since 1920. It is specially formulated to create cake-like and fluffy cakes, breads, and icing. Best Foods margarine is a versatile spread from Best Food, yet it's popular in Southeast Asia, such as in Thailand. It is ideal for toasting bread, baking cake, and imparting delicious, distinctive aroma to dishes. Rawabi is widely known as a vegetable seasoning brand popular in the Middle East. It is frequently used as an alternative to butter or margarine for cooking, sautéing, and making traditional pastry, offering a stable melting point and formula free from animal fats. Cassia is a popular Polish margarine brand renowned as a best ingredient for cakes, pastries, and creams. It is a special formulated with a mild buttery flavor to achieve the perfect dough texture. Milk-soft margarine is a smooth spread that is easy to apply straight from the refrigerator. Processed by the Norwegian family-owned company Mills AS. This margarine is made from vegetable oil, making it an excellent versatile choice for spreading on breakfast bread and cooking or using as an ingredient in baking recipes. Appetito margarine is a versatile fermented vegetable-based margarine widely used in the production of cake, bread, pastries, and cream filling. It is especially formulated to improve dough texture and keep baking good fresh from longer. Nectar is a leading table margarine from Morocco, produced by Leisure Crystal. Known for its buttery taste, this 100% plant-based margarine is cholesterol-free and rich in vitamin A, D, and E. Sanisa is a traditional vegetable margarine brand primarily popular in Switzerland and sold exclusively in the micro supermarket chain. The fewer likes could have raised its high unsaturated fat content. Linko is a popular Romanian margarine brand produced by Arla Foods Romania. Known for its flagship variant, Linko Appetit, the product is widely used as a sandwich spread or for cooking. Vaquero is a widely popular Portuguese brand of culinary margarine and cooking fat primarily designed for baking and cooking. It is known for its vegetable oil base and has expanded into various formats like block, cube, and liquids. Rana is a global brand of margarine and plant-based spread rich in omega-3 fatty acid and vitamin. The margarine is known in various countries, including as Blue Band in certain regions for its versatility in cooking, sautéing, baking, and a bread spread. Veggie Oil is brand known for its vegetable oil-based margarine product. Its flagship variant is renowned for being